Morning class. Today's topic is principle of inheritance and variation, and the subtopic is Mendel's law of inheritance. Gregor John Mendel was the first to demonstrate the scientific basis of inheritance and variation by conducting hybridization experiment. But it should be very clear that he was not the first to conduct these experiments. Rather, he was the first to consider 1 to 3 characters at one time, and this was perhaps the secret of his success. His experiments were, in fact, the extension and development of hybridization experiments on sweet pea plant conducted earlier workers like Knight and Gross. Mendel was born on July 22 in 1822, and he worked on Pisum sativum, garden pea, for 7 years and proposed the law of inheritance in the living organism. So, inheritance and variation. Inheritance is the process by which transmission of character or trait from one generation to the next place. What is the difference between the character and traits? The characters are the features of the individual, for example, stem height, and the trait is the distinguishable feature of a character and its detectable variance, like example, tallness and darkness. So, the branch of the biology which deals with the study of the heredity and variation is known as the genetics, and Gregor John Mendel is known as the father of genetics because he was the first to demonstrate the mechanism of transmission of characters from one generation to another generation, and he gave the principles or law of inheritance. You can see in this picture there are so many variants are found in the human being also, despite of presence of 99% common genome in each and every individual, but the variation is here. Mendel's experiment materials was the garden pea for his experiment, because what is the reason behind this, why Mendel has chosen the garden pea plant? In the sweet pea plants there is the pure variety of is available. Pea plants shows a number of easily detectable contrasting characters. You can easily detect the contrasting character of the sweet pea plant, and the flower structure of pea plants is such as to allow the controlled breeding with the help of the emasculation process. Because the garden pea or Pisum sativum or sweet pea plant is a self-pollinated plant, so it should be allowed to control the controlled breeding. 7 pairs of contrasting characters which were selected by the Mendels for his experiments are: the dominating characters is like height of the plant, means tall plant and dwarf plant, seed shape, seed color, seed coat color, pod shape, pod color, and flower position. These are the 7 different contrasting characteristic that Mendel has taken in his experiment. After his experiment, Mendel's given the law of heredity. The first law is the law of paired factors, means the factors are responsible for the transmission of character from one generation to another generations. He told that they are present in the pairs, and the law of dominance in hybrid dominant characters suppress the expression of recessive character. One character is dominating character and another is known as the recessive character in the F1 generation. Mendel's first law of segregation, or you can see it is a law of purity of gametes, states that when a pair of factor for a character brought together in a hybrid, when a pair of factor for a character brought together in a hybrid, they segregate or separate during the formation of the gametes. When the gametes is going to be formed, they are going to be separate out. Now there is the 2 conditions. If inheritance of one gene, if one gene is going to be inherited, and it is totally explained with the help of the monohybrid cross, means mono means same, single hybrid cross, single character is going to be hybrid. Inheritance of one gene can be explained by the monohybrid cross, the cross between the two parents differing in one pair of contrasting characters. In between the two parents, there is only one pair of the contrasting character, and it is called the monohybrid cross. If we are going to take the example of monohybrid cross with the help of the pure tall and pure dwarf plants, the gametes are all hybrid in the F1 generation. They are mixing of both the character tall and dwarf. Phenotypically they are all tall, but genotypically they are hybrid in nature. In F2 generations, while going to be selfing with these all plants, the result in the monohybrid cross is the phenotypically they are 3:1, means 75% plants are tall and 25% plants are dwarf. But genotypically, while doing the Punnett square and crossing is seen in this experiment, the ratio are 1:2:1, means 25% plants are the pure tall and 25% are the pure dwarf, while 50% are the hybrid tall. So Mendel's crossed the first law with the help of this phenotype and genotype parents. Tall, homozygous dominant, and homozygous recessive, dwarf, pure dwarf. And in F1 generations, tall is dominating over the dwarf, and all the tall plants having heterozygous in nature. After doing the self-pollination in the F2 generations, he find that the ratio genotypically 1:2:1 and phenotypically 3:1. If inheritance of two genes, means if Mendel has taken the two different contrasting characteristics in the parents, the second law of the law of independent assortments is given, and it states that the factors for different pair of contrasting character in a hybrid assorted distributed independently during the gamete formation. So second law can be explained by the dihybrid cross, the cross between the two parents which differ in the two pairs of the contrasting character. Two characters, round yellows and wrinkle green seed. The seed's color is the yellow and green, and shape is the round and wrinkle. This is the phenotypic characters in the dihybrid cross. The genotypes are the capital R, small r, capital Y, and small r, and small y. So in the F1 generations, all plants are round yellow, means round yellow characteristic is dominating over the wrinkle green in the F1 generations, but the plants are totally hybrid in nature. While going with the help of the selfing and in the phenotypic ratio, he got 9:3:3:1 ratio. 9 means the pure tall and pure characteristics of the parental generation and the pure one. But the two new recombination is going to be formed, and it is tested with the help of the test cross. The cross between the hybrid and its homozygous recessive parents, that is called the test cross, and it is used to identify the genotype of the hybrid tall and recessive tall. The genotype ratio is the 1:1 and the phenotypic ratio is also 1:1, when 50% ratio is there. So dihybrid cross, F1 hybrid is crossed with the recessive green wrinkle pea plants. Recessive green wrinkles gamete is the small r and small y. So the phenotypic ratio is 1:1. If the F1 hybrid is crossed with the recessive green wrinkle pea plant. So this is all about the Mendel's law. Thank you and have a nice day.